once you've found the right doctor and have told him or her about your pain, don't be afraid to take what they give you. Often, it will be an opioid medication. Patients may be afraid of taking opioids because they're perceived as too strong. It's far from actual fact. Less than 1% of patients taking opioids actually become addicted.
Hey, they're emphatic, my mathematics, you can't add them. So tragic, my baggage comes with no backup. Breaking patterns like splitting atoms, it ain't happening. Cycle spins, psychosis wins, the world spins. On my mother, like a whirlwind, devilish sins, devilish grins. Cause like, here we go again. Scrum, can never stop for now. Too tired, send this off to the doctor. Between the zany and some boxes. Lost cause, lost hope, he'll throw away, way too deep in his hole. Where he lay me down to sleep. North side, shorty ride curb on creep. North side, shorty don't pray where he eat. But hey, soon we'll see. A soldier by the lake, buried 6 feet deep. Less stress on me, more profit for a thief. Middle finger poking out for everyone to come and see.
Lately I've been feeling brainwashed, like my soda rubbing against the grain, lost in the same sauce. I would complain, but the wear diamond chains cost more than I care to explain. Yeah. Lately I've been feeling out of character, left cause I'm embarrassed, but every day I be like 1,000 miles away, blowing out of myself. I'm the boss in the gray. Hey. Board in the plane, what the f is a holiday? Dreaming through the day, what word you say in my mistake? Reading the text, screenshots and mentions, wish still had the way message. I'm stressed, live a life in the day, this a day in the life. I've said the same, covered the spots, not stripes. For broke, paid, this the grade 5-9. The life reptilla, now.